How to join a group in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can join a group in Roblox. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step, open up a web browser and head over to roblox.com. You can also use the app if you want. After you're there, you should be on the home page of your Roblox. On the top left, tap on the three lines. After you tap on it, you can find different options. What you'll need to do is search for communities. Previously, communities was known as groups, but now it's called communities. So tap on communities. And after you're here, you should find multiple different communities which you might want to join. So you can tap on communities, see all option right here. And after you do that, you can then search for a community. So you can find different games, a game specific community, an interest specific community, whichever you want. So they can see there is a role playing community, there is a building community. Tap on one. And after you select one, you can find the join community option. Tap on this and you'll have joined the community, or basically the group. And that's how you join a group on your Roblox. And you can see all the communities or groups that you have joined right here on the left hand side. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.